So we're in the A loop now, full hookup. This is A1 over here with a downward slope.
Yeah, that full hookup?
Yep, all these are full hookup. This is A2 over here, that's a camp host. Yeah, that one's got really good slope going on it. A lot of these on this side's got a slope.
Yeah. I don't think many of these through here don't have much shade either. Well, we found one, didn't we? One or two.
Yeah. Here's A3. Not as bad of a slope. Over here is number 4.
Handicapped also.
It's handicap site. Okay, over here is A5. Then A6. It's also a handicap site. Okay, we got A7 over here. The slope's starting to get a little less on the hill. Over here is A8. Also has the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, over here is number 9. Yeah. And here's number 10. None of these sites basically don't have any shade. Yeah, not too bad. Number 9's not too bad.
I forgot to bring the map.
Okay. A10's not too bad either. That's actually A11. And then over here's A12. Yeah, A11's. You're facing the right way, so you're facing.
Yeah.
This one's pretty good.
11?
No,
Oh,
13.
13, yeah. Is that, you have to check the length. Maybe?
I'd have to check the length. A14. There's a tree, but it doesn't give you much shade.
Yeah, no. Not at night anyway.
Yeah. Okay. We got A15. No, yeah, A15 over here. So that's A15, has the antenna. Over here's A16. A16. A17 looks kind of short.
Yeah.
Okay, and then someone parked a beautiful holiday rambler on A18. It's got a bit of a hill on it, but we were able to level. A19, it's got a pretty steep slope on the front to it. It drops off pretty quick. Look at that.
Yeah.
And then here's A20 over here. So that is it for the A loop here at
that's it for the A
Hueston
loop.
Woods.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's a couple.
Yeah.
9 and 11, you were
Yeah.
thinking. Yeah.
And this one's not bad, and that one over there is not bad either. You're just gonna get some sun.
Yeah.
Unless you pull in the opposite direction, and then all your dumps are on the wrong side. Yep. So that's our walkthrough of the A loop.
Yeah.
All right, so we're on the B loop, starting here at B2. Over here is B1.
There's someone coming.
Yeah, you heard.
Well, you're in the middle.
Well,
I don't know if you're stopping back yet.
B2, here's B3. B3, and then over here we have B4, which is right by the Wi-Fi.
B1 has a lot of shade.
Huh?
Will we fit in B1? It's got a
It
lot
does.
of shade. No?
I don't know.
Or would you not want to be at the front? I don't know if I'd
I don't
want
want to be up the front. Here's B5. Yeah, B3. Okay.
So what am I doing right now?
Just put a like a list
Yeah.
on the side.
Okay.
B3 has some evening shade. Okay, B5 is not really a lot of shade. Okay, B6 is right over here. There's a lot of these sites just don't have shade.
No.
Here's B7.
Oh, here comes somebody else.
Here comes B8.
My goodness, what are people doing? This one has shade.
Yeah. B10.
I like B10.
Okay, here's B9.
B9's not bad either.
Yeah.
So it's by the playground.
We'd be on this side. Over here we'll be
We'd be facing
on this.
that way, right?
Yeah. Here's B10.
Here
B10
we're
has
facing towards-
B10 has a lot of shade
I
in the
like
evening
B10.
shade.
Yeah.
All right. Continuing on.
Yeah, I like B10. B12.
B11 is over here. B12, a lot of shade here too. Not sure on the
I was
links.
going to say it looks a little short.
Yeah,
I
but-
could put B12 with a question mark.
Yeah. Actually, all these over here, it's got shade in the evening.
Yeah, oh, they sure do. Look
Yeah.
at that. Oh, wow. Yeah.
So B11.
Do you like
Okay.
B11? Oh, you're just saying the numbers.
Yeah. Here's B13.
Yeah. That's got sun.
Yeah. Over here is B14.
What am I writing that down? Let me know when you want.
Well, just mark these like,
Like all of these through.
yeah, that have shade. B15. And we're coming into B16. Okay, have B17. B18 also has the Wi-Fi unit on it.
You'd probably have to. I wonder how far out you'd have to. Anyway, okay.
You're right.
The way they have them, like when you're facing towards the
Yeah.
wood, it's not so bad, even if
No.
you're in the middle. It
Yeah.
wouldn't be so bad.
So B19.
Not too much shade.
Yeah.
But it
B20.
would be on this side though.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's B20.
so you want to write down B20?
Yeah, it looks still staying pretty shaded through here. B21. We are looking mostly for evening shade because we like to sit out.
Remember though, we would have the shade from the campground.
Yeah. B22 is starting to get sunny.
Yeah, that's one sunny.
Yeah, see?
And that's a no-go.
Yep.
Interesting. Those chairs are interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna. Now, oh, this is a.
That's a camp host.
Turn around right here.
Yes.
Oh, there's a shady spot. It's not a spot. Doesn't look so good either.
No.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
I guess it would depend on.
It's all rooty and
Yeah. Yeah.
so B23, that's currently a camp host site. Over here is B24, has the Wi-Fi antennas there, and you also have a lot of roots and stuff here in your area.
26 is good. That.
Yeah.
You got a tree there.
Yep.
So that works.
Okay, so we're coming up on B25 over here, which is also a shaded site. That'd be shade
B25's not bad.
during the whole day almost
Now,
be
is this
shaded.
electric though?
Yeah, electric.
Yeah, right there. Okay.
All these sites are 30 amp electric. B26 I think would be shaded through the whole day too.
Yeah,
So these two are probably among the top.
the star though.
Yeah.
26 and 25.
We like shade.
Especially in the summer.
Yeah, especially in the summer.
It's fall, maybe.
Okay.
This looks like
B27's got a good slope going on it.
yeah. And then this has like a looks like it could be a mud
B28.
pit.
Yeah, it looks like it could be a muddy.
So I
A
don't know
muddy
if
there.
because there is a lot of shade to it though.
Yeah, it does have shade though.
Yeah.
Okay, B28 shady.
Well, should I write it down?
You can mark it.
Maybe
I mean,
not with that. Maybe not with a star there.
yeah. And then here's B29. It's got a downward slope going on it,
Yeah. And this is
and a lot of sun. It looks like.
on this side.
Yeah,
So this one does well a little bit.
yeah.
But
Okay. All right, we have B30 here. A lot of sun.
some of these sites look short too.
Yeah, B31. You can look up the length of the sites on their website. You can
Oh, I
pull up.
didn't write this one down?
No, they're facing this way.
Yeah.
No, there's better. B32.
Yeah, you're facing this way, so you'd have shade from the camper.
Yeah. I don't know.
There's no one around. I mean, there's no one across from you.
Okay, you like it?
No.
Okay. Here's B32.
Not a lot of shade.
All right. Over here's B33.
Looking for the shade or the shady spots, the shady ones.
And I video it. Because we can't remember for sure, so we just look at the video.
Yeah.
Then over here's B34. A lot of sun.
Yeah, you don't want that
Yeah,
one.
No, we had the one on the where at Tioga.
Hey,
Yeah.
I went through
Okay.
and I had highlighters.
Yeah.
Like yellow,
Yeah.
it's the ones we want. Orange
Yeah.
was a second choice,
Yeah,
third,
yeah.
you know. And yeah,
Yeah.
we just, hey, grab the paper out. And, oh, okay.
Yeah.
We can fit in that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. See you guys later.
All right, have a good one.
Where were we? We're at this one, right?
Yeah.
So here is where's the number on this one? B35. That's B35, downward slope. Over here's B36.
No shade.
No shade.
This one has some shade. This
Yeah.
one,
B37.
this one's
Yeah, downward slope. But it's shorter too. Looks kind of short.
yeah, that's why I
Because that
think
car
it-
took up almost the whole thing. Over here's B38. It looks short. I mean, this one's short too. Yeah, the truck almost takes up the whole thing. B39 is right here. And over here is B40, has the Wi-Fi.
That's got some shade.
Yep, got shade. Yeah, definitely has shade.
You want me to write that one down?
Yeah, you can. It's got a slightly upward slope. Then over here we got what is this one? B41. This was B41 over here. And then over here is B42.
Not much shade. I mean,
Not
shade
much.
up at the front.
Yeah.
I don't know if you'd get shade. I mean, no.
B43. I mean, no evening shade. You're on the back side. There's B44.
Right, though.
And then
B40. Or,
B45. Yeah, that's okay.
that's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to start out?
Yeah, well, yeah, because we'd be on this side.
That's okay.
Yeah.
There's nothing down here.
And then here's B46, which is the one we stayed at. So this one, it has got a water problem. likes the pond.
Yeah, but he's at the front.
Yeah. All right, and that's it for the B-Loop. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.